So, you've got an Apple gift card, and you're wondering if you can ditch the physical card and load it onto Apple Pay for easy spending, right? Let's get straight to the answer. First things first, there are actually two types of Apple cards previously. There was an Apple Store gift card, good only for Apple physical and online stores, and an iTunes gift card, used for apps, subscriptions, and Apple Music. Now, Apple has unified them into a single Apple gift card. The key thing to understand is that neither the old Apple Store gift card, the old iTunes gift card, nor the new unified Apple gift card can be directly added to your Apple Pay wallet like a credit or debit card. In short, you can't use your Apple gift card to pay through Apple Pay by linking it to your account. However, there's a workaround. You can use the Apple gift card for online purchases through Apple's website or the Apple Store app during checkout. You'll have the option to enter your gift card details. That's the card number and the PIN. If you're heading to a physical Apple Store, you can absolutely use your Apple gift card there. Just present the physical card to the Apple employee at checkout, or if you prefer, they can scan the gift card directly. So, to recap, you can't add it directly to Apple Pay, but you can use it online or in store. Hope this clears things up. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.